sharing all the stuff we do, and over time Ellie, he'll be learning lots of other things like how to... No, that's no good for a video, is it? And a flying experience. That didn't work at all. And a flying experience. No, not quite. And a flying experience. What the heck is that?
Well, for my first wedding, I think that went... blah, blah.
So, I hope you've enjoyed this week's video. Stay tuned on the channel. So, I hope you've enjoyed this week's video. No, all right. So I hope you've enjoyed this week's Owl Diary. Stay tuned to the channel. No. So I hope you've been... Wait for that car to go by. It's a noisy car. So this is when one of your owls manages to do a lovely big poo on your bag. At least it wasn't open, that would have been far worse. They get it cleaned. Ooh. 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 Well, I'm here with... I think it said Connor then. Callum. Start again. Well, we're here with Callum, and it's an important day because it's his last day. Oh, get the violin out. He's here with... I went I'm not allowed to go I'll start again. And falcons make that kind of high-pitched noise. Hear that sound in the sky, you probably know it's a... So there we go. I think we've made a good start there with... Shush, I'm broadcasting. Made a good start with Henrietta. No, seriously, need to be quiet. Made a good start with Henrietta there. I might start that again, I didn't like that. So this is what Ollie looks like just after a bath. Yeah, did you enjoy that? A good wet splash about. Well, we have an expression in this line of work when it's raining rather badly, when we can't actually go out and run our York display or any other event for that matter outside. And that expression is, it's too wet to woo. Yeah, sorry. With the husbandry of the birds and the other animals, that I really do feel like I am eating, breathing, living. Now, don't give me that now, you bloody low battery bull. Male Harris Hall. And he did have a very aggressive side. In fact, he would often chase after the pigeon and the squirrel when we were flying him, and it got to the point where, in the end, we had to move him on to... Is that going to... That's really annoying, isn't it? What are you doing? You're making that noise at what exactly? I don't see any dogs anywhere. I was doing well there, I was in my flow.
It's candid camera, never taking video with an animal.
I know, that's what they say. Right, well, there's an outtake, then I'll start again.